Hello everyone, we hope you are doing great. For those of you who are watching us for the first time, my name is Manish.
And I'm Anshita, and we make travel related videos. In this video, we are going to share about 10 things that we always carry while we travel.
And we believe you should too, in order to make your travel convenient, easy on pocket, and eco friendly. Number 1, water bottles.
So, whenever we travel, we always carry our water bottle with us because it helps us in saving money as we keep refilling the bottle, from airport, from malls, and other places we visit. Secondly, it helps us in reducing the plastic usage because we do not buy those plastic bottles and do not throw them.
Another advantage of carrying a water bottle is that even if you are leaving at home on the way to reach a particular destination, you keep on sipping water, which helps you keep hydrated and avoids you getting dehydrated. Another from my personal experience, a lot of times it also happens that if I go to a shop to purchase a water bottle, more times than not, I end up purchasing either a cold drink or a soft drink or any other juices which are full of sugar, which are really not good for health. So let me know in comments if this is also true for you guys as well. Number 2, toiletries in smaller bottles. We all are used to certain brands of our favorite shampoos, conditioners, face washes, body washes. The hotel that you're staying at provides you all of this, but they might not be of the best of the quality. And the quality really matters if it is a longer trip.
So we always carry our things in these small refillables bottle because they take very less space and they are less prone to leakage. And you know who has the extra space in the luggage. So that's why these are the best one. Secondly, and most importantly, it helps us in reducing the usages of plastic because we do not use those small one-time use plastic bottles.
Number 3, first aid kit. This is something we religiously carry on all our trips. When you are traveling, there are high chances of you falling sick, catch a cold, or even get a bruise. We would probably be the people who take the least amount of medicines, but just by carrying these basic medicines, we feel more prepared and confident on all our trips.
So we carry a very small and handy first aid kit which usually have medicine for acidity, medicine for loose motions and tummy upset,
Headache.
And we carry band-aid with us, and then we have a very small tube of Volani as well and little bit more of its and bits, but we always carry this, so it's very very essential travel kit with us.
Number 4, a diary. Writing it down when you experience something really amazing helps itch that memory forever. When you're writing, you are really living that memory again. It makes that memory more permanent in your mind. If you have not tried it, do try it on your next trip. So this is my diary, which I always carry with me on all my trips. Whenever I feel or experience something really, really amazing, I come back to my hotel, write down my experience. It has a lot of those moments which have been captured into this for the both of us for the last 3 years or so.
और साथ ही साथ कितनी बार हमने किसी को कहते हुए सुना है ना कि ट्रैवल जो है वो उनके लिए लाइफ चेंजिंग रहा, तो शायद डायरी लिखते वक्त बहुत सारे ऐसे रिफ्लेक्शंस आते होंगे जो एक्चुअली लाइफ चेंजिंग होते होंगे.
Number 5, chai premix.
We both are tea lovers, and first thing in the morning we need our hot steaming cup of tea.
But sometimes what happens is that the hotel that you are staying at, they do not or cannot provide tea to you before 8:30 am. So at those times, these chai premixes that we always carry with us come in very, very handy. All you need is a hot water and a cup which is readily available at any place that you are visiting. So if you are a chai lover like ourselves, so do carry these chai premixes. They come in a lot of flavors. Number 6, raincoats. When you go on your trips, you do not want to lose on the fun just because it starts raining out of nowhere. So to avoid this, we always carry our raincoats with us on all our trips, whether there is a prediction of rain, no prediction of rain, slight prediction of rain. We always make sure that we carry and whenever we are visiting a particular place on that particular trip, we always carry these rain packs with us. There have been so many occasions where we could continue with our itinerary just because we had raincoats on us. Otherwise, we would have been stuck at our hotels.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम वियतनाम गए थे तो वियतनाम में जब हमें बाना हिल्स जाना था तो उस दिन कोई भी रेन प्रिडिक्शन नहीं था, बट वी स्टिल टुक इट विद अस, एंड देन उसके बाद वहां पर हमने ये रेनकोट्स पहने और उसकी वजह से हम बाना हिल्स आराम से घूम पाए और रेन को एक्चुअली एंजॉय भी कर पाए.
बाकी जो हमारे साथ और दोस्त थे उनको वहाँ पे रेनकोट्स खरीदने पड़े.
और साथ ही साथ जैसे हम सिंगापुर भी गए थे, सिंगापुर में हमारा लास्ट डे था एंड वी वांटेड टू विजिट सम प्लेसेस, तो अगर रेनकोट नहीं होते तो शायद हम पूरा दिन होटल में ही बंद होते और हमारा पूरा दिन खराब हो जाता. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू ऐड हियर दैट द रेनकोट्स वी हैव दे आर वेरी लाइट वेटेड, वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट. और अगर आप देखोगे तो अभी आपको ये बहुत छोटा सा एक पॉकेट, एक बैग सा लग रहा है, बट अगर मैं आपको इसको खोल के दिखाऊं तो इसके अंदर ही, इसकी खुद की पॉकेट के अंदर ही पूरा का पूरा रेनकोट है जो फिट हो जाता है और निकल जाता है. जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड एंड tada! Here it is.
Number 7, nuts.
We always carry nuts like almonds, cashew, walnuts with us even when we are traveling. So it helps us having something healthy to eat even when we are holidaying. Secondly, it reduces our tendency to indulge on chocolates, biscuits and other snacks.
Carrying nuts with you will not completely eliminate the intake of not so healthy foods, but it will surely reduce it. The idea is to be just mindful while you are eating. Number 8, books. If you love reading, so the joy of reading your favorite book when you are sitting on a beach side, or let's say you are sitting in a jungle near a river stream, overlooking the sunrise or the sunset, that feeling is amazing. Your mind is more open to more ideas and in-depth understanding when you are on a vacation. One of our favorite memories from our trips are when we are sitting on a shack on a beach, and there are waves which are crashing on the shore, and we are just reading something, some really nice book. We are having something to drink and something to eat. That feeling is one of the best when we travel on our trips. Number 9, sunglasses. Sunglasses are a very important part of our travel bags, and we always carry 2-3 of them when we travel. We will all agree that sunglasses make us look even more better and confident in our looks.
So when you travel, it's really important for us that we look good in pictures. बट जब आपके पास सनग्लासेस नहीं होता है तो धूप में शायद आपकी सारी पिक्चर्स ऐसी आती हैं. तो अगर आपको अच्छी पिक्चर्स चाहिए तो प्लीज अपने सनग्लासेस कैरी कीजिए.
और हमेशा हमने देखा है, वो आपके साथ भी हो चुका है, मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है, दैट इफ वी डू नॉट कैरी दो सनग्लासेस फ्रॉम आवर होम, सो वी एंड अप इनवेरिएबली बाइंग दोज फ्रॉम द स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स इन दैट सिटी, and they might not be of the best quality, so you either end up discarding them at the end of the trip or they get lost and you don't care. It's an extra budget that you end up paying for that. Number 10, extra empty bag. How often has it happened to you that when you're returning home from your trip, your things would just not fit into the bag? Either you have purchased a lot of things for you and your loved ones, or your bag has shrunk. That can also be possible.
To avoid these kind of situations, we always carry one extra empty bag with us. This bag might look very compact and small to you, but it has 30 liters of capacity. And secondly, we carry these kind of plastic bags as well, and we keep our dirty clothes and shoes in these bags, and we keep them separate from our clean clothes.
You don't want to be purchasing a new bag from the very expensive city that you're visiting. We hope you really liked our video and all the suggestions that we have given you. If there is anything particularly that you guys carry, so please do mention in the comment box and the reason why you like to carry that in your trips.
Do like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.